Hello programmers, in this tutorial we will be making a vowel percentage finder. First we will take the user's input and then analyze how many vowels it has and then calculate the percentage of it. So let's start with our code. We will start by making a function known as vowel percentage. All our code will lie in this function. Now we will take the user's input as a string and store in variable str. Now we will make a list that will contain all our vowels A, E, I, O and U. You know that. Now comes the main code. We will analyze every letter in the user's input string and check whether it is a vowel or not. First we will check whether it is a space or not and then skip it, because the space is neither vowel nor consonant. Now we will make some variables that will contain the total letters and total vowels in the string. The variable will be updated in the for loop. I will show you now. Now we will check whether the letter is a vowel or not. For doing this, we will see whether it is in the vowel list which we made earlier or not. And if it is a vowel, then we will increment the value of total vowels by 1 and also the value of total letters by 1. And if it is not a vowel, then it is obviously consonant. Then we will increment the value only of total letters by 1. Now we will just print our total letters and total vowels to check everything is working perfectly or not. And yes, don't forget to call the function before running it, or else you will think why it is not working. Let's enter some text now and also add a space so that we can check. Yes, it is showing 4 letters and 2 vowels, so it is working perfectly. Let's calculate the percentage now. We have our total letters and total vowels, and we also know the formula of percentage. So let's do it. Total letters divided by total vowels and multiplied by 100. That's it. Our percentage is calculated. Now we will just check our percentage by printing it. Entering some text, my name, 50% should be the answer and it is 50%. Yes, it is correct. Now we will write a beautiful print statement to make it a little user friendly. I'll just fast forward the lines because it is not really important. You can even make it on your own. After we print a percentage, we will ask the user whether he wants to run the code again or not. For this, we will take the user's input as y or n. And then with simple if function, we will check whether the user entered y or not and then run the function again. If user enters anything other than y, then the code will exit. So for that, we don't need to write anything. Now I will add comments in the code to make the code more understanding. Now let's run the code and do our final test. Okay, now we will enter some text here. Okay, we have got an error that we can't add int with string. Let's do a comma here and it's done. Let's start by entering my name. Okay, we have got a percentage here and also y and n. Okay, I entered y and again I am entering a string. Okay, it works perfectly for different strings. I can run it again and again using my if function of y and n. I hope you understood how this code is working. Now there's a task for you. If a person enters a full stop, comma or an exclamation mark or any other character, it takes it as an consonant and adds it in total letters. The task for you is to skip special characters just like we skipped the space. For that you will have to make a list containing all the special characters and then add an if statement. Thanks for watching and do complete the task to make the code more efficient.